Hey Caleb, this is Steve Dahl over here at Jackie Cooper Infiniti, giving you a quick tour of that 2017 Hermosa Blue with graphite interior. Coming all the way around for you. Give you a quick look into the rear. Of course, it's got the theater controls, tri-zone climate control, heated seats, input, as well as 110 and 12 volt. Rear seating, large console in the center and the back. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, tilt down mirrors, and collapsing mirrors, seat memory locations, all of your safety. Tachometer, speedometer, as well as your center display, steering wheel controls, intelligent cruise control, distance control assistant, blind spot monitoring, all those. Navigation, settings, give you all your audio, everything else. Camera, around view mirrors, climate control, stereo, has the heated seats, heated steering wheel, cooled front seats, power flip down again, all-wheel drive, tow mode, and of course the sunroof, moonroof. All in all, really nice looking vehicle. Exceptionally low mileage for a 2017, only 19,552. Let me know if you have any other questions, anything else that you'd like to see. Be happy to give you a detailed tour, video tour of anything else that you'd like to see. All in all, quick glimpse into the back again. 918-806-8233, or you can just reply back with any questions that you've got. Thanks a lot. Look forward to hearing from you. Bye.